Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox Nothing Ear One TWS earphone. So I just received this box today from Flipkart. I have ordered. So the box looks good. There are some images printed on the box, and there is a peel of sticker to open the outer cover. So box looks good, and I'm excited how it going to be, the sound effect and everything. So let's get into the video. So let's open this box using this pull-out tape. So yeah, I'm just trying to open that. Yeah, this opening experience itself is good and a little different. So yeah, there is a cap like thing got open. So now I am taking out the actual Nothing Ear One box outside from the package. So let's open the box. Yeah, here there is a Nothing Ear One earphone. It's looking nice. First impression is good. So little heavy for me, and there is a type C, and there is a button and magnetic hinge. And so okay, let's see that later. Before that, I will check what are there inside the box. Here there is ear tips. There is a small and large ear tips. Medium size is already installed on the TWS earphones, so there is nothing much on this. So for me, the medium size is comfortable, so I am using that. And there are some paperworks here and manual, and how to use and how to pair. All those details are given in this paperwork, so let's keep those things aside. And there is one more small box. Hope that is a type C cable. So yeah, here that is a type C cable for charging this TWS. And this looks little different, like it's a braided cable, or covered with a plastic sleeve, something transparent sleeve, but it looks nice. Even the feel of that cable is also good, so that is really nice. Now we have a look at the TWS earbuds. So here, let's open this. Yeah, this TWS has some transparent area, and also it's not full transparent, but the stem is transparent. Also the stem has a touch area for adjusting volume and next, previous, and play pause, all those features. So this is a touch area. Also they have branding on that. So the overall, the look and feel is really good. I really like that. Even I used it for some time, so the audio and the comfortable both are really good. Even active noise cancellation and voice quality, everything is good. So yeah, there is a charging kind of pin kind of thing is there. Yeah, that's this is feeling really good. Even the audio, I feel like a little uh, ear is a lock, but it's not a big deal. Also the weight is very less. It is very comfortable for a long use. So I will attach the sample audio. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like. Thank you so much.